My first product that I'm going to review today, as you can see guys, I'm already wearing these gorgeous lashes on my eyes right now, and I'm talking about Viciley Kit. Oh god, so this is actually a lashes kit. This kit is all about lashes, and this is the same that I'm wearing right now. Check them out guys. These lashes open your eyes so widely, check this out, and they're just, you know, giving you this dramatic drama queen look. Oh yeah, I love it. So this is actually super good kit. You are getting everything inside. You're getting lashes, three pair of lashes. You're getting tweezers to apply the lashes. You're getting eyeliner and mascara. Yes, all that in just one kit, and this is super cool. But the real crazy and magic thing about this kit, it's the way how do you apply them. So these lashes are glue free. That means that you are not using glue to apply the lashes. So let me show you how exactly you are doing this. So this is a Viciley Magic Lashes Kit. What is this? This is actually a high quality lashes that are comfortable and beautiful to wear. These are saturated and smooth, and these lashes comes with a full kit. The kit contains also a smooth eyeliner that is gonna go perfect and works perfect with the eyelashes, and with a waterproof mascara that helps the lashes to blend better, and also with a tiny cute tweezers that should be used to put the lashes on. So everything you will ever need for creating perfect lashes look can be found in this kit. All the products in this kit are helping one to each other to create this dramatic and amazing look. So for example, the magic eyeliner in this kit, it actually gets the false lashes to adhere to your eyes without glue or magnet. It's easy to handle shape and marker alike tip make the linear pen beginner friendly. The lashes you will get are made of soft synthetic fibers. These are all day comfort. They are natural, classic and dramatic. Different lash styles got all occasions covered. All day kit, it's actually hypoallergic ingredients only. Safety is the first rule of Viciley. All the kit is actually waterproof. You know, wherever rainy or windy, you will always be shining out there. Also, all these are long-lasting, you know, the lashes, the eyeliner and the mascara. Long-lasting products. It always stays just until you want it gone. Also, the lashes are reusable. These lashes can be used up to 30 times. This kit is a latex-free, the best replacement for glue, and this is all cruelty-free because every creature on our planet matters. Now, how to use? So, first of all, before using, you should press the button on top of the liner pen until it clicks. You should shake the liner pen to help the ink to get into the tip. You need to leave it for about 5 minutes and make sure that the tip is saturated by the ink. Now, how to apply? You should shake the liner pen before every use. Then you need to draw the eyeliner along your natural lash line and wait for it to dry. Then you need to put the eyelashes on and make sure they lock into the place. And that's actually all. Bam! You're done. How to remove? You should gently take the eyelashes off and stir them properly. You can use makeup remover to remove the eyeliner. Now, how to clean? You need to use water or makeup remover to remove the makeup residue on the lash band with Q-tips after use. So again, if you are looking for an easy and fast way to enhance and open up your eyes, well, congratulations girl, because you just found this ultimate solution by Viciley Magic Lashes Kit. So this is a high quality lashes that are comfortable and beautiful, saturated and smooth eyeliner that gets false lashes on. And also you're getting the waterproof mascara that helps lashes blend better. So these false lashes are glue free and magnet free. These lashes are 100% comfortable and have no any damage if you are comparing them to the glue lashes or to the magnetic lashes. Again, these are glue free and magnet free. Also guys, by the way, there is a 30% off discount code that you can use. This is actually Louis 30 off. So guys, the discount code is gonna be also mentioned in my description box, so be sure to check this out. Yes, so guys, this is actually a high-tech technology for applying your lashes. So I really love this kit. This is super cool. I love that it comes like all together, you know, like eyelashes, tweezers, eyeliner and mascara. So this is like just a kit. And what I also really loved about this kit is the fact that the lashes are reusable. Each lashes, you can use them for up to 30 times. I already mentioned that, guys, but again, up to 30 times. This is amazing, right? It's like super reusable lashes and you have 3 of them. That means that when you got this kit, you have like 90 days of daily wearing lashes. This is amazing, right? Yeah. So by the way, guys, the link for this one is gonna be down below in the description box. Be sure to check them out.